Good day, Mema Pifa. My name is Christine Glova and I will introduce first the author. C.S. Lewis was a multifaceted writer and a scholar whose work spanned both fantasy and faith. He is best known for the Chronicles of Narnia, but his writings also explored themes of Christianity, literature, and philosophy. His insightful observations and engaging storytelling continue to resonate with readers of all ages. The Last Battle is a captivating children's fantasy novel that serves as a profound allegory for the Christian faith, while offering thrilling adventures and fantastical creatures. Lewis explores themes of good versus evil, the importance of faith, and the promise of a new beginning. This final installment in the Chronicles of Narnia is a timeless story that continues to inspire and challenge readers of all ages. I'll begin with the chapter 1 first, by Caldron Pool. The story begins with the introduction of Puzzle, a talking donkey, and Shift and a cunning ape who find a lion skin. Then, this sets the stage for the deception that will engulf Narnia. In chapter 2, the rashness of the king. King Tirian, the last king of Narnia, and his friend, the unicorn Jewel, encounter a series of unsettling events, including the arrival of a Kalarmin Tarkan, and this chapter highlights the growing darkness and the vulnerability of Narnia. Chapter 3, The Ape in Its Glory. Shift, disguised as Asian, uses the lion's skin to manipulate the Narnian creatures. Tyrion tries to expose the deception but is captured by the Colormins. This chapter emphasizes the power of propaganda and the manipulation of truth. Next is chapter 4, What Happened That Night. Tyrion is in prison and reflects on the events that led to Narnia's downfall. He has a dream where he meets the seven friends of Narnia, foreshadowing their return. This chapter explores themes of despair and the hope for redemption. Chapter 5, How Help Came to the King. Eustace and Jill, the two children from England, return to Narnia and find Tyrion in prison. They free him and together they plan to fight against the Calormins. This chapter marks the arrival of the children and the beginning of their quest to save Narnia. Next is in chapter 6, A Good Night's Work. Tyrion, Eustace, and Jill prepare for battle, gathering allies and strategizing. They encountered a group of dwarves who have been captured by the Calormins. This chapter highlights the importance of preparation and the gathering of allies. Chapter 7, mainly about dwarfs. Tyrion and his companions free the dwarfs, but only one dwarf joins them. The dwarf represent the skepticism and resistance of change that can be found in the face of a new world. Then in chapter 8, What News the Eagle Brought. The friends receive news from Farsight, the eagle, that Narnia is no more. This chapter marks the turning point in the story, where the hope of Narnia's salvation begins to dwindle.
Good day, Ma'am Appy and everyone. I am Kyla Asarani and I will further discuss the chapters 9 to 16 of the Last Battle in the Chronicles of Narnia. Chapter 9, The Great Meeting on Stable Hill. The friends gather on Stable Hill to discuss their options. They realize that the stable is the key to a new Narnia. This chapter emphasizes the importance of gathering together and recognizing the signs of hope. So the next one is the chapter 10, Who Will Go Into the Stable. The colormen's attempt to enter the stable, but the ginger cat is struck dumb. Tyrion and his friends decide to confront them. This chapter highlights the power of faith and the challenges of entering a new world. Then the next chapter 11, the pace quickens. The final battle begins. Tyrion and his allies fight bravely against the Calormens, but they are outnumbered. This chapter emphasizes the importance of courage and the struggle against evil. Chapter 12. Through the stable door, Tyrion and his friends enter the stable and find themselves in a new and glorious Narnia. This chapter marks the transition from the old Narnia to the new. Chapter 13. How the dwarfs refused to be taken in. The dwarfs remain skeptical of the new Narnia and refuse to enter the stable. This chapter highlights the importance of embracing change and the challenges of faith. Next is chapter 14, Night Falls of Narnia. Aslan arrives and transforms the stable into a new Narnia. The Narnian creatures who choose to enter the stable are welcomed into the new world. This chapter represents the triumph of good over evil and the creation of a new world. Next, chapter 15. Further up and further in, the children and the Narnian creatures journey through the new Narnia, encountering old friends and discovering the true nature of Aslan. This chapter emphasizes the beauty and wonder of the new world and the enduring power of faith. Next and the last chapter is chapter 16, Farewell to Shadowlands. The children and the Narnian creatures reach the Golden Gates and enter a new world beyond their comprehension. This chapter represents the final farewell to the old Narnia and the promise of a new beginning. So now let's discuss the literary techniques and devices that were used in the piece. So number one is allegory. Allegory is symbolism. So the entire Chronicles of Narnia series is an allegory using the world of Narnia to represent Christian themes. The Last Battle is no exception, with the events of the story mirroring the story of Christ's death and resurrection. The next is symbolism. The lion Aslan is a powerful symbol of Christ, and the stable where he is killed and resurrected is symbolic of the tomb. Other symbols include the colorments representing evil, the talking beasts representing believers, and the dwarfs representing those who are resistant to change. Next is foreshadowing. The summary mentions the rashness of the king, hinting at Tyrion's eventual downfall. Other examples of foreshadowing likely exist throughout the book, building tension and anticipation. Next is irony. The ape's use of the lion's skin is a form of irony, as it represents a perversion of Aslan's power. The way the Calormens deceive the animals with their false promises also creates a sense of irony. Then, suspense. The summary highlights moments of suspense, such as Tyrion's capture and the battle at the stable. The tension builds as the reader anticipates the outcome of the conflict. And then let's now move on to the author's writing style. First, it is simple and direct language. C.S. Lewis is known for his clear and concise writing style, making his stories accessible to readers of all ages. Next is descriptive language. Lewis uses vivid descriptions to bring the world of Narnia to life, creating a sense of wonder and imagination. Third, dialogue. The summary mentions dialogue which is likely used to reveal character, advance the plot, and create a sense of realism. Next, moral tone. Lewis's writing is infused with a strong moral message, exploring themes of good versus evil, faith, and redemption. So, the themes, the last battle explores themes of betrayal, sacrifice, resurrection, and the ultimate triumph of good over evil. Character development is also present. The characters in the last battle, especially Tyrion, Eustace, and Jill, undergo significant development, learning valuable lessons about courage, faith, and loyalty. Now, let's discuss the moral lessons and messages gained from the story. The importance of faith and trust. The story emphasizes the importance of faith and trust, especially in the face of adversity. The talking beasts who remain loyal to Aslan despite the hardships they face demonstrate the power of unwavering belief even when things seem hopeless. The power of love and sacrifice. Aston's sacrifice is a central theme in the book, reflecting the idea that true love and redemption often require sacrifice. This theme resonates with the Christian concept of atonement, showing that love can overcome even the greatest darkness. Next is the consequence of this deception and betrayal. The actions of the colorments highlight the dangers of deception and betrayal. Their manipulation of the animals and their use of the lion's skin to deceive them ultimately lead to their downfall. These emphasize the importance of honesty and integrity in our relationships. Next, the need for courage and resilience. The characters in the last battle demonstrate courage in the face of danger and hardship. They stand up for what they believe in, even when it means risking their lives. This highlights the importance of courage and resilience in facing challenges and fighting for what is right. Next is the importance of choosing right. The characters in the last battle are faced with difficult choices. Some choose to follow the path of evil, while others choose to remain loyal to Aslan. This highlights the importance of making choices that align with our values and beliefs, even when it's difficult. The moral lesson of the last battle is that even in the face of darkness and despair, there is always hope. True love, sacrifice, and unwavering faith can overcome even when the greatest challenges. The story encourages us to be courageous, to choose right, and to trust in something greater than ourselves. That's all. Thank you.